Welcome back to part 4 of the Endor Speed Chaser build. We've already done 3 bags, the first being the base, the next being kind of some of the base foliage, and then we got the tree put together. So yeah, it's coming along very nicely. We don't have the vehicles yet, or we don't have this other tree, so stay tuned for those. It doesn't show Leia in the diorama yet. She has to get ready for her speeder chase, so we'll put her over here, and we'll get the bag out. So we're on to bag number 4, and just so that everyone can share in the excitement of getting this open. It looks like we got a few little bags in there, so I will dump this one out. That is a few little parts, and we get. This looks like it might be one of the speeders. Or maybe should be probably the speeder, little speeder build. And where should we do this? No, I've never seen that before. What's that guy doing? He's stuck on. I didn't see a hair in there or nothing, but somehow he was stuck on something. Maybe one of the little piece of plastic got stuck to him. I don't know. That was kind of weird. Alright, so that is this little cassette. These are all going to get mixed together, but stay tuned for that as I get them all laid out. Welcome back to Mini Bricks. Today we're going to be doing the bag number 4 and putting that all together. So we already have quite a bit of the diorama in place and ready to go, but I guess we're working on some speeders here in bag 4, at least that's what it looks like. So let's get to step number, well, I guess it's step number 58, but yeah, it doesn't have a step, it's putting the little guy together. So we all pretty much know how to do this. Now, does it come with just the one head, nothing on the back? And the little gun is in his left hand. There we go. So, leg printing, back printing. Yeah, nice some head. Yeah, I think there's some printing there on the helmet printing. So yeah, pretty nice fig. I like them. So we got 2 figs put together so far, and yeah, I'll maybe just put him at the beginning here. And moving on to 58. How does this go? So they actually want us to do a little bit of a build here to add on to the display. So, well, I think we're gonna have to do this way. Let's see exactly where they want us to do that. Now I'm going to try to build this one ahead of time as well. So I guess it's coming off from the other side. So this first one, is there any difference? Or did I do something wrong? So the first one is supposed to be, yeah, so I did do something wrong. First one is supposed to be like that and that. Alright, and then this first one is supposed to go in like that, and this one a little bit tricky to see what's going on here. Hey dude, are you okay? Alright. Like that. So that was part of this set, and ooh, okay, I get it now. They want us to get set up for these speeders, so the speeders are supposed to be at an angle, so this one like that. I guess they make it like that so you can take the speeders out. So jumping right into, okay, we're right into 60. We're gonna jump over here to our parts and get started with 60. Now the instructions kind of go up and down, so taking from the parts I overlooked, so it's 60, well, I don't know where 61, I guess, is the part I missed. 61. If you have a lot of parts, you can maybe even make a few speeders that are of different colors. But it's nice to have these bought ones that are all the right colors. Alright, I did miss putting out some of these parts. Right for that. Now we jump over to 64. 66. Right, 67. Looks like 68 is a little bit of yeah, it looks kind of like we have to build something, so I'm gonna try to do this one right. So we got one that looks like that, and then we have just built is supposed to go on that side. That one can go on that side. No, we're still going on this. Okay. Made up of a lot of little pieces. So this that's 69. I guess we can maybe just move up here and keep going. Got these. Now I thought this, I didn't realize how this is going to come together, but I guess this is the back now. Not a little side build, so these 3 rounds, 1 by 3 rounds. So they're not so blocky, probably. And this little build is going to fit all the way. Okay, and a little side build. Starting this, so that's 73. I don't get it. Guess we have to put things in order. So these supposed to be there. brighter. Okay. $76. $76. $77 is putting these two bars in. Up to 78. I didn't think it was going to come together like that, but alright. $79. Kind of know where that's going. That's kind of like the forks. Now we're going to go and put this together somehow. So I think it's easy. You just line those up. A little smaller than I was expecting, but at the same time, that's all it really needs to be is that's minifigure scale, I guess. There's still a little bit more to go. That's 84. Ooh, those are kind of nifty. The iconic pedals. Let me see if I can. Let's see if I can just build. I can see that those might have lost if it wasn't a diorama. some clips. So wonder if there's a better way to do these. Wonder if you could mock your own little scooter. Because I wouldn't mind using some of... Do they have any left? Yeah, like couldn't she use something like that as a pedal in there? Like, wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, I think I might pick up some more of those and then clip those in there. I mean, yes, the pedals might fall down, but at least you probably wouldn't lose them. Because I can see those little square bits coming out. But they look nice. They stay. So... we're still working on this. Alright, what else do we got? They want us to put the pistol like this, the hand like this. And that is... here that they want us to put a gun like this, and there we go. That's not the last step. I don't know. I guess I don't know if this is cheating, but I'm gonna put Leia here in the back, and now I don't know where it's supposed to clip on. It's trying to show me. I think it just goes onto one of these. Yeah, if I'm gonna mess up, I'm gonna bring you guys with me so you guys don't make the same mistake. I think that's kind of what they're looking for. Alright, I think we're gonna end up building another one. So kind of the same procedure. I think that these are different because one of them has one person and then the other, the scooter, yeah, I think Luke and Leia's scooter has a little second spot for a second person, so a little bit different build, or they could have just said build two of these. And I would have just, I think it would have been, well, yeah, I guess the actual one should have had a few speeders for these guys, have multiple speeders for these guys, and then, well, I guess it depends, right? If you want to get more sets, you can make it like the movie. 87, 88, back up to 89. Now, if I had a bigger budget, I probably would buy a few of these, because I think this particular scene needs at least 6, minimum 6. But I'm thinking even 3 across. Yeah, at least 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 would probably be about where this should be. And then maybe, yeah, maybe some extra parts for some extra trees. Put the trees up a little higher. That would be proper, I guess. However, we're gonna start with this little guy. And I am slowing down here, so let's just get back in here. I should be faster on this one. I know what to do. I built that first one, so I should just kind of go with it. Ooh, see, this is where it gets a little different. You just plug it with a 2x3 brick. It has a bar of coal, I guess. I don't know what a bar of something. It's kind of like a gold piece, but it's black. So I don't remember those. I suspect they're in other sets, but okay. So we're gonna build those side parts. So yeah, I forgot to get this piece, so. We should be pretty fast at this. We know kind of what this is supposed to look like. And get those gray pieces on here. That's on to 96, so we're going to just put some of these together. And if you're following along, it would be pretty easy to. You might even get ahead of me if you were to look at the instructions. I shouldn't tell you that, but. Needing in person, I guess this would do, but I'm trying to keep this in frame for you. missing some pieces here, so I think I'm gonna just grab it from somewhere else. We'll see how far we can get, if we're actually missing pieces or not. I don't remember a Lego set that I actually was missing a piece. I remember one that I had the piece in, I forgot to take it out of the bag, but I did check these bags pretty good. So back up to we're still going. Of little pieces all coming together to create all of those details. And we know ahead of time that that's going to end up going on there, but I should probably have left that for, well, that was 107, so there we go. On to we're supposed to put this on. And there's only 4 and 4, so I suspect that you could wreck this pretty easy. It's not really it's a lot of little pieces all together, so it's not very sturdy. Now we're doing those pedals again. Now it's easy for me to remember just to, okay, so what these two, grip, get ahead of myself, but I know as soon as I get ahead of myself, I'm gonna mess up. So, put a little gun out. Good. Yeah, they don't have me putting the guys on, but how can I not put the guys on? I think that's the only thing that's going to keep that guy in there, is that clip on his hand. Now I don't know that there's... Yeah, he kind of comes out of the diorama, so maybe I should set him a different way, but... Yeah, they're missing the tree. I guess that's realistic enough. Just barely missing the tree. And we got a few parts left. So let's see if... Oh, we're on to bag 5. So that has been bag 4. Where I've got the speeders in there. And yeah, thanks for watching up to now. Hopefully you'll stay tuned for the last bag. I think there's only 5 bags here, so bye for now, and catch you in the next one.